Hey guys, is your state making you feel down and depressed because your state's government doesn't let you work, or they've completely shut it down to the point now where there's no stimulus money, you need to move? I want you to check out Edmond, Oklahoma. And that's what this video is about. Edmond, Oklahoma versus San Francisco. B-roll. Hey guys, Josh Barnett, Better Homes Guard Real Estate Paramount. Thanks so much for watching today's video on Edmond, Oklahoma versus San Francisco. If you want to learn everything about Edmond, Oklahoma, subscribe to this channel. And give it a big thumbs up. That way you don't miss out on any of our new videos about living, moving, eating, and playing in Edmond, Oklahoma. Now, let's get in today's video. All right, Brad.
Yes, sir.
You know a little bit about Edmond, Oklahoma, right?
I know a little bit.
Yeah?
A wee bit.
Did you do any research on San Francisco?
Yeah, man. I did.
I hear those people aren't being able to work right now.
Yeah. There's a lot of stuff going on all over the nation, but San Francisco is one of those places where it is very difficult to, stay working.
Well, if they're thinking about moving, should they look into Edmond, Oklahoma?
Man, you guys should definitely look at Edmond, Oklahoma. Some comparisons we have. So if you're in San Francisco, the average house is about $1.3 million. Now, Edmond, Oklahoma, the average price is $264,900.
That's like 5 times less expensive.
It is, Josh, and you'll be excited to know that the rent in Edmond, Oklahoma is substantially lower as well. It's under $1,600 a month.
Wow!
For a house in Edmond on average.
Wow!
And that's compared to $3,450 a month, $3,450 a month. So you're looking at twice as much.
So houses are 5 times as less for the same house, and rent is half as much for the same house.
That's correct.
Are you guys ready to move to Edmond?
And the taxes, oh my gosh. The taxes in San Francisco on average, $15,275.
Real estate taxes.
Real estate taxes.
Per year.
Annual.
Per year.
Correct.
Dude, that was more than I made as a high schooler. Like that.
Me too.
My taxes, I didn't even, wow.
Yeah.
What are the taxes in Edmond?
The taxes in Edmond?
On average.
On average, $3,180.
That's another 5 times.
That's five times less than San Francisco. You could have 5 houses in Edmond for the price of one in San Francisco.
and so then you could have rent houses and create income.
Yes.
That's crazy.
You could have residual income from this.
Wow. Well, what about utility costs? Is there any difference in utility costs in Edmond to San Francisco?
A gallon of gas right now in Edmond, Oklahoma is under $2. It's like $1.88.
Yeah. On Q. I like on Q.
Yeah, so that's on Q, 7-Eleven, things of that nature. San Francisco,
Yeah.
$3.51.
That's twice. That's twice as much.
Yeah. And what's kind of funny about that though is if you live in San Francisco, you're probably not driving around everywhere.
No.
Like you are in Edmond.
No, on those Disney movies they ride the trolley.
Ride the trolley. Yeah, if you've seen Full House.
Chitty Chitty Bang Bang.
They do.
There's no trolley in Chitty Chitty Bang Bang, is there? That's like that bubble vehicle.
I don't know anything about it.
That's flubber. Okay, sorry, we'll get back on topic.
No
what about
worries.
electric costs per month?
Electric costs $150 a month in San Francisco.
Compared to Edmond?
Edmond's $120, so $30 difference there.
That's not bad.
No.
That's pretty comparable. Average food costs?
$75, typical.
For water, trash, and sewer?
Oh, I'm sorry. It's average food's going to be under $500. It's $455 per person.
$455 per person for a monthly food in San Francisco. In Edmond, dude, I could feed a whole family for like $600 a month, probably. A family of 4.
Yeah.
So for the cost of one person, it's a whole family almost.
Correct.
Why is food so expensive in San Francisco?
Just the supermarkets and where they get everything.
I don't know. That's crazy. Because isn't there a lot of farming in California?
There's farmers markets.
Most of our farming is in California. You think that government's doing something to them?
That's possible.
I know you don't comment on that stuff, but I bet it's government. All right, sales tax in Edmond, Oklahoma, Brad, is only 8.625%. What is it in San Francisco?
It's 8.5%.
And that's the total sales tax, because the 8.625% that I'm using for Edmond, that's the county sales tax, the state sales tax, and the city sales tax all combined. Is 8.5% the total combined tax in San Francisco?
That is.
Wow, so they're not as expensive as in Edmond.
Yeah.
Huh, interesting. What about when you're comparing cost of living, when you're comparing San Francisco, when you're comparing to Edmond, what is the average salary of someone in San Francisco?
Average salary is just under $100,000, $98,000 to be exact.
Well, in Edmond it's $60,000. Why aren't people making 5 times more in San Francisco as they are in Edmond? I mean, that's what seems to be on par.
I don't know, Josh.
So would it be better to live in Edmond?
It would definitely be better to live in Edmond.
They should call us.
Yeah, you guys should call us.
What's the commute time in San Francisco?
32 minutes.
In Edmond, it's only 21 minutes.
Yeah.
It's easier to get around in Edmond. What about top industries? What kind of cool industries does San Francisco have?
They've got like software engineers, project managers, data scientists. They have a lot of marketing.
Yeah.
So
That's cool.
There's some jobs out there. Google's out there, I believe.
They probably have a better tourist industry.
Amazon's out there. Yeah, they definitely do.
Benzo. What's the Amazon guy's name? Benzo.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's it.
I don't know.
Do you know that guy, the CEO that I'm talking about?
I can't think of his name off the top of my head.
Starts with a B. He's bald.
Okay.
I'm bald too. In Edmond, the top industries are... Wait, am I looking at the wrong column? Nope, I'm looking at the right column. For some reason, it's... I flipped those 2 columns. That's wrong. Edmond is supposed to be over here. In Edmond, the average industries are a company called Avitech. They do like mortgage auditing. A company called Summit, which is a giant supplier, a logistics company. They supply merchandise, things like that. They sell things. They're a reseller. Pelco, don't know exactly what they do. And then a company called Petra, and I don't know what they do. That's cool. They're a big employer here in the Edmond area. I switched those companies, just so you know, on your spreadsheet. Edmond's got a lot of recreational activities, Brad. You know, it only costs $27 on average in Edmond to go golfing for 18 courses.
18 holes?
Yeah, holes.
Yeah.
Sorry.
No.
Brad's a good golfer.
I'm not a good golfer.
He's a good golfer.
I do play.
He's a par golfer. That's awesome.
No, I'm not.
What's your negative handicap?
Probably a 16 to 20 handicap.
Okay.
I'm not that good.
Okay. I can't even.
I do have a buddy, though, and he's a scratch golfer. He's a golf pro out in Blanchard.
Yes.
So
He just moved, didn't he?
He did, yeah.
He moved to...
Guthrie, Oklahoma.
What schools?
Edmond.
Edmond.
He
All right.
did, yeah.
What's it cost to go golfing in San Francisco, Brad?
There's a lot of private courses out there, but I did find a public course that charges $52 per round.
It's seeming like San Francisco is double the cost on everything except real estate. Then it's 5 times the cost.
Right.
Are there other cool things to do in San Francisco?
You can bowl. You can go to the movies. You can go eat out. Typically, bowling's about $32 per lane.
Is that per lane per hour or
per lane per hour?
Okay.
So what is it in Edmond?
36.
36 per lane per hour.
Yeah, that's at the new Showbiz Pizza, Showbiz Cinema, Showbiz Cinema over off of Covell and I-35. Awesome place. Definitely want to check it out. They got arcades, restaurants, movie theaters, bowling, everything right there.
Yeah, and movies aren't really that different. It's about 2 times as much. It'll cost you about $15.50 to see a movie in San Francisco.
And I wasn't able to get show business pricing. I don't know if the computer was just not letting me get it, but I found when I was looking at movie pricing in Edmond, because of COVID, they make you pick seats now. So I couldn't just get a regular ticket. I had to pick a seat where I was gonna sit, and that made me mad because I think that's stupid. So I probably just didn't look very hard, but I've got $7 for movie tickets in Edmond.
Yeah, is that 2 or 1?
That's just one.
1, yeah.
Yeah.
That's probably about right.
Yeah. Okay. Eating out in Edmond, Oklahoma is for 2 people. If you go ahead and get 1 drink, going to be around $45 for 2 people. If you want an appetizer, it'll probably be another $10 on top of that.
In San Francisco, it's going to be about $70 for 2 people to eat out.
So 1.3 the cost?
Yeah, 1.3.
So the cost of living overall, when I'm looking at Edmond, Oklahoma versus San Francisco, what do you think the overall cost of living is on that 100 index? 100 being normal. What do you think it is? Like plus 32?
I think it's probably lower than the national average.
Oh yeah. Edmond is 72%, I believe, and I'll put down below exactly what it is, but it's 72 points of 100. But when I'm comparing Edmond to San Francisco, what do you think that point difference is? Because it sounds like San Francisco is more expensive.
Yeah, I would guess 50%.
Wow. So it's like, wow.
Yeah, and San Francisco's got a little bit more scenery. You're close to the Bay Area, so you have the ocean, and you have surfing and stuff like that. So can't really surf in Oklahoma.
Windsurf.
You can windsurf.
I've seen windsurfers.
So,
and you know what? We've got Lake Arcadia in Edmond.
Oh, we do. I forgot about Lake Arcadia.
Tell them about lakes in Oklahoma, Brad. Tell them about how compare a lake to an ocean. Do you know what I'm saying? No? Okay, get this. We call bodies of water in Oklahoma lakes, okay? They're water reservoirs. They're used for drinking water, and you can see across them. In a lot of other states, if you can see across a body of water, Brad, that's usually considered a pond. But Oklahoma, we call them lakes. Have you visited the Great Lakes? You've been to Chicago, been to Michigan?
Yeah.
You can't see across them.
No.
Those are real lakes. When you're talking about San Francisco and the Bay Area, I was being silly comparing Lake Arcadia to the Bay Area because there's no comparison. Like, you can't take a boat out and go get some freshwater. You can get some freshwater fish out of Lake Arcadia, but bass, we have bass to eat in Oklahoma, but it's not like you can go get a tuna, deep water tuna or swordfish.
Yeah, you're gonna do some deep sea fishing in San Francisco, whereas Oklahoma, you're gonna fish for bass, catfish.
Ew. Catfish are bottom feeders.
They are. They'll eat about anything.
Yeah.
You could throw a hook to the bottom of the bottom of the lake and catch a catfish.
What is that thing that they call where they put their hands in catfish's mouth and pull them
Noodling.
out?
Oklahoma has noodling.
Noodling. You ever noodled, Brad?
I haven't.
Me neither. We should do a video on noodling. What if a turtle bites me? I'm always scared that a turtle's gonna bite me.
I never know.
Yeah, I would wear a glove. I
don't know if that's real noodling though.
I don't care. I don't want a turtle to bite my finger off.
That's like doing a triathlon on an indoor pool or an elliptical.
You guys that are doing the virtual triathlons right now, you're still athletes. You're still awesome dudes. Don't. We're going to cut that one out. So, when you're comparing COVID restrictions to San Francisco to Edmond, Brad, COVID restrictions, are masks mandatory in San Francisco right now?
Yes, they are.
From the research that you've done?
From the research I've done, they definitely are.
The city of Edmond, they have a mask mandate. I think they're doing it because the attorneys are scared to stand up to the liberal media. I don't think anyone's really enforced. So, are businesses open here in Edmond, Oklahoma, Brad?
In Edmond, they are.
Yeah, so you could go grocery shopping, you can go get your hair done, you could go do all that, right? In Edmond, Oklahoma?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you in San Francisco?
So they're in a phase 4. What I found out, 50% of their businesses are open. So in August, that's when they started opening 50%.
So they allow 50% occupancy, or just 50% of the businesses are open?
Oh, sorry, they allow 50% occupancy.
Okay.
So you can go to church in Edmond, or in Edmond, you can go to church, right?
You mean you can exercise your First Amendment?
You can, but in California, you're limited to 50 people inside a church.
Is that state also being burned right now?
It appears so.
I wonder if that has any relation.
I don't know.
Yeah.
That's something to think about.
Right. God can tear down the walls.
You can only have 25 people inside a church right now in California. But outside you can have 50.
Outside. If you want to exercise your religious rights that you're constitutionally given and being given as a sovereign person, Edmond is going to let you do that. So, talked about businesses, talked about recreational activities, talked about housing opportunities. So overall, when we're versing Edmond, Oklahoma versus San Francisco, Brad, and we're biased, these are subjective reports. Which city do you think's better?
I think Edmond's better. It's going to have everything you need. I mean, all within this small space.
And you're able to exercise your constitutional rights.
Yes, you are.
And worship your God.
And we're really close to Oklahoma City as well.
15 miles, 15-minute commute.
15-minute commute.
I mean, they touch each other, right? 33rd Street is the Oklahoma City-Edmond boundary.
Yeah.
Because in the 60s, Oklahoma City expanded their borders to 5 different counties because they're crazy. But that's what they did. But they brought lots of paved roads with it. So we'll go off on that on another day.
Let's chase that rabbit another day.
So if you want to move to Edmond, Oklahoma and enjoy everything that's your God-given right, be sure to give Brad or I a call. Our numbers are down below. Be sure to subscribe to our channels. Be sure to give us thumbs up and share these videos with all your friends, especially any friend who be sure to share this video with all your friends that are looking to move to a more conservative state, a more conservative city that's going to stand up for your rights as an American citizen.